Hello, here's a video to find odd numbers and even numbers. There are times when this is obviously quite useful. Sometimes you want to know if number is even or odd, because if it's even, you want to divide by 2. If it's odd, you want to divide it and round it, or you want to take the lower number or the upper number, or whatever the case might be. So sometimes you need to identify. Another time is I don't use tables in Excel when I'm making spreadsheets for clients. I usually just use cells, and sometimes you want them to have alternate rows changing color. So using ISEVEN to find a true value in order to go, well, if this is true, change the row to that color. Then it means when you resort your rows, you don't have all those colors sorting together, etc. It keeps it nice and neat. So there are times you need to know if it's odd or even, and it's very, very simple, much like a number of the formulas here. This is what you want to do. Equals is odd, find the number, and then open the brackets, select that cell, close the brackets, and this is true or false. And the same thing for even, is even, select the reference you want, close the brackets, and it will go false. Now, if I copy that one throughout the rows, paste the formula, and if I copy this one throughout the rows, paste the formula, you can see immediately is odd, true, and false. They obviously they won't have the same line because they can't be true and false. So you'll have true, false, true, false, false, true, false, true, etc. in order to determine which of those lines are true and false. Now, as I said, you can then use them to do conditional formatting, or you can use them. You can use that to decide what to do with those formula with those numbers, if they are true or false. But if you need to find out if they're odd or even, that's how you do it. Relatively straightforward. As I said, not particularly exciting by itself, but within another formula, those can be quite crucial within another formula. There's a nested formula. So yeah, I hope that helps you. Thank you.